Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make broth for cats. To begin, you'll need about 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken or fish, like salmon. Make sure it's plain without any marinades. You'll also need 2 to 3 cups of filtered water. It's crucial to avoid any seasonings, salt, garlic, or onions, as these can be harmful to your feline friend. Now, place your chosen protein and the 2 to 3 cups of water into a small saucepan. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat. Do not boil vigorously. Let it cook for at least 20 minutes, or until the meat or fish is thoroughly cooked through. This ensures all the beneficial nutrients are released into the liquid. Once cooked, carefully strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to remove all solid pieces of meat or fish. Only the liquid should remain. It's very important to let the broth cool completely to room temperature before offering it to your cat. You can store the cooled broth in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. You can offer your cat 1 to 2 tablespoons of this nutritious broth as a special treat or to encourage hydration. For longer storage, pour any extra broth into ice cube trays and freeze it. Once frozen, transfer the cubes to a freezer-safe bag where they can last for several months. Just thaw a cube as needed. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.